Hello, little chefs. Come this way. Today we're making a cold banana smoothie.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. Banana, na 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 na. Banana, na na banana, na na na. Here is a yellow banana. It's fresh and sweet. Peel the banana carefully. Peel, peel, nice and slow. Now our banana is ready. Let's cut the banana. Slice, slice, one by one. Round little pieces, look how fun. Great job, now the banana slices are ready. Hurrah! Next, we need some cold milk. Pour the cold milk into the blender. Splash, splash, nice and slow. Perfect! Now let's make it nice and cold. One ice cube, two ice cubes, three ice cubes. Clink, clink, clink. Everything is in the blender. Close the lid. Ready? Whir, whir, whir. Blend, blend, blend. Round and round it goes. Now it's smooth and creamy.
Open the blender.
Build a smoothie into a cup. Look, a delicious banana